Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Jabra Elite 3 Active. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Jabra Elite 3 Active Sport earbuds with Active Noise Cancellation. Just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And on the back of the box there is some features and specifications of the Jabra Elite 3 Active. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the clear sticky seal that's keeping the box securely closed. And let's see if we can slide the box cover off, and we're just going to set the cover to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the inner box packaging. And now let's go ahead and open up the inner box, but once again not before first cutting open or apart the inner seal that's keeping it closed, and now giving you a look directly inside of the box packaging for the Jabra Elite 3 Active. And let's go ahead and remove the contents from the box, but of course opening up the other flap so you can see right there the inside details of the box packaging. And let's go ahead and remove the contents by tipping them out of the box. And let's continue to remove the inner box tray, and of course there is some safety information and warranty right there, but of course giving you a look at the details right here. On how to get started with the Jabra Elite 3 Active. So there is an app as well, the Jabra Sound Plus app, to get the most out of the earbuds. So just closing the box back up. And set it down to the side again, and just laying the contents out from the box packaging across the tabletop so you can see the items from the Jabra Elite 3 Actives box packaging right there, right across the tabletop. Okay, so let's start off by taking a look at this booklet. So there is a safety information and warranty booklet. I'm just giving you a look at the details, and let's flip it open. As you can see, very small print with information concerning the safety and warranty of the Jabra Elite 3 Active. And it's covered in various languages across the multiple pages. Okay, so we're just going to set that to the side. We're going to set it on the right hand side of the tabletop, and so that we can move right along to the main items. So there appears to be a little box-like packaging here. Let's open it up to release the contents from it, so we can see that there are a set of silicone earbuds, all sealed up and in two different sizes. So just setting that to the side And of course, moving right along to the next item in this box, so there is a cable as well. And we can set that box to the side and giving you a look at the cable. So there is what appears to be a charging cable and giving you a look at the details in regards to the length and overall design, and of course most importantly the connectors on either end of the cable. So you can see that it is a USB-C cable, or USB Type-C, and USB Type-A on the opposite end. So right there, giving you a look at the details. Up close. At the charging cable. Okay, so we're going to set that down to the side as well, just setting it on the right hand side of the table, and finally moving on to the main item itself, so giving you a look at the outer packaging in paper for the Jabra Elite 3 Active. So right there. And now let's go ahead and of course open it up. You can simply just slide it out from the side, and just setting that packaging to the side and giving you a much closer in look at the charging case or storage case for the Jabra Elite 3 Active. And of course this one is in black, and you can see the case does have a matte black finish, or at least there is a light sheen to it. And just to give you some idea of the size of the case, just resting it in my palm right there. And of course, now let's go ahead and open up the case, so we can see directly inside of the case the pair of earbuds, the Jabra Elite 3 Active. So they do have active noise cancelling. So giving you a look directly inside of the case as best I can, trying to achieve focus on the earbuds. So you can see they do have a somewhat triangular design to their housing, and giving you a look as they sit inside of the charging case. Okay, and let's pop them out, take them out from the case, and of course giving you a look at the case itself and the connectors, and of course the pods inside of them. Okay, and just setting the case down, so just setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop, and giving you a look at the earbuds. So we can see that they do have their protective transport packaging or factory packaging on them. And let's go ahead and peel the protective film off so you can see the details more clearly. It's right there, that's one side, and let's do it with the other side as well. And now we have a much better look at the earbuds or wireless earphones. So try my best to achieve focus on them, given that they are rather small, and of course giving you a look at their overall design and shape. As you can see there, what appears to be gold-plated connectors on the inner side, and of course the Jabra branding on them. And once again, they do have a more of a graphite or very dark grey finish. And just giving you a look at their overall details as best I can, given that they are small and maybe slightly fiddly to handle. But nonetheless, right there, the overall details of the earbuds, and of course we can see them being pre-fitted with a pair of silicone earbuds or ear tips already, so just giving you an idea as to the material. So you can see right there with the ear tips pre-fitted on them, and of course these earbuds are IP55 rated, so built for durability against dust and water or water jets. Okay, so just setting them down, and let's try and pair them, of course. Let's pop them back in their case, and just making sure that we are setting them right. So you can see the contacts right there, and they are magnetic, so you can see tapping on the case upside down, they still remain firmly and nicely contained, and even the cover does stay snap shut. Okay, so over here I have a Google Pixel 7a Android smartphone, which I've unboxed on the channel before, and it's in the Rinker Onyx case, which I've also unpacked or unboxed on the channel before. And let's try and pair the earbuds to the phone. So let's go back and pair a new device. But of course, we need to pop the earbuds out, and we can see right there it's quickly identified the Jabra Elite 3 Active. So let's connect and see what happens. It's right there. It is trying to connect. Now sure, let's go ahead and tap done now that it's updated as device connected. And let's play some trending music with the YouTube app. So just going to pop the earbuds on, and let's skip that, the commercial, if we can. So music playing very clearly. A nice, rich and deep bass with good clarity on the vocals. And now I'm just going to tap on the right side just once. Okay, and now I'm going to tap on the left side once. Okay, so no response, even though I can feel that there is an obvious pressing of the buttons on the rear of the earbuds, so I can feel, and you can hear just about the clicking of the buttons on the back of the earbuds, but nonetheless just giving you a look overall at the earbuds. And let's go out again, and just to give you a look at the earbuds once again up close. So overall a nice balanced sound reproduction on the Jabra Elite 3 Active. And one last test we can do is the active noise cancelling test. So let's replay the video. And this time we've got the Pro Breeze mini ceramic heater. Let's turn it on. And the active noise cancelling is rather good because I can't hear the sound of the ceramic heater at all. So just going to raise the volume so you can somewhat make out the music that's playing through on the earbuds. So that's the Jabra Elite 3 Active. Thanks for watching and happy listening.